Finance example 14. You're 21 years old and you have a coffee habit. You spend $8 every day on 2 cups of coffee. Your parents are appalled at how much you spend on coffee and tell you that if you put that $8 a day into a retirement account instead, you'd be much better off in the long run. You roll your eyes and decide to show them that you know way more than they do. So you say, fine, I'm going to retire when I'm 55. My math teacher says that 4% is a safe estimate for a rate of return on a low-risk investment, and I'm all about low risk. That $8 you want me to save so badly every day. So let's see how much that will actually get you when you retire. So let's say you actually can put that away every day. So let's say that our time is, well, let me see, you want to retire 55 minus 21, that's going to be 34 years later. Our N, if it's daily, is 365. And you say that you're going to put $8 away every day. So every day, that's an annuity. So $8, 1 plus 0.04 divided by 365, raised to 365 times 34, dang, and then minus 1 divided by 0.04 divided by 365. Okay, when I put this in my calculator, I get $211,400.92. That's how much you would end up with. And to continue on, yes, I understand this should be 365 right there. Sorry about that.